Hello everyone, my name is Glenn Millsaps. I am the CEO and co-founder of the Equal Employment Anti-Discrimination Foundation. John Treadwell is also the co-founder of the organization. Mr. Treadwell retired from the EEOC after 27 years of service with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Our mission includes bringing to an end employment discrimination in the workplace. We have designed a self-help guideline that will assist all Americans file charges with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission when they have experienced discrimination under Title VII of the 1964 Civil Rights Act. One of the things that we have done is we have put together a guideline which is called a self-help guideline, and the self-help guideline includes teaching you what the predetermination interview is, what the request for information is, and we have also put together 16 powerful do-it-yourself letters that you can give to the EEOC in the event you experience problems while investigating your complaint with the EEOC. When filing a complaint with the EEOC, you will be dealing with an experienced investigator who was hired to work for the EEOC, the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. One of the things that the EEOC is required to do is allow you the opportunity to be able to provide additional information. This information is called the predetermination interview. The predetermination interview allows you to be able to provide additional information to the EEOC investigator prior to that EEOC investigator closing your case. As a part of EEAD's mission to stop employment discrimination, we have designed a self-help guideline with 16 do-it-yourself letters. These 16 do-it-yourself letters are designed to assist you through dealing with an EEOC investigator. Most EEOC investigators are very experienced and know the process well. However, the charging party, when you file this complaint with the EEOC, you will be at the mercy of the EEOC investigator in doing their investigation. These 16 do-it-yourself letters will assist you in assisting your EEOC investigator through your investigation. These 16 do-it-yourself letters will get the job done. Another part of the EEOC process is called the request for information. The request for information is a very powerful tool that you can use in order to be able to collect evidence to support your claim of discrimination. Whether the discrimination is based on race, sex, national origin, or religion. You may collect information from an employer to be able to support your claim. A lot of times we have found that employers will attempt to hide information from the EEOC. However, the request for information, which is a form of EEOC subpoena, will permit you to collect the information you need to support your claim. For instance, say you were terminated on the basis of race. However, you also experienced retaliation, and you were collecting information from the EEOC to be able to prove that particular claim. So you may want to submit a request for information that says, submit a copy of all terminations within the past 5 years. This will give EEOC a broad view of how many terminations were made within the past 5 years of their organizations, which will support your claim in showing that you were selected aside from other individuals in being terminated from that particular employer. The tools that I have described to you in using the predetermination interview and the request for information and the 16 do-it-yourself letters helped me through my personal experience in filing a complaint with the EEOC. The EEOC's experience is an experience that you do not want to go through by yourself or alone. You would need assistance in filing a complaint with the EEOC, and that is where our organization steps in. My personal experience was enhanced when I went to Mr. John Treadwell, who worked for the EEOC. If I did not have the opportunity to be with Mr. Treadwell, I would not have had the experience I did with the EEOC. Personally, my experience was a good experience, and that is why we're here to help you to have a good experience with the EEOC.